Hey everyone, this is Mr. Hughes, just checking in with you as far as to get another tutorial in on utilizing a sweep command. So in your third model, you're going to create a pipe. So a piece of pipe that in the picture has threads on the inside, but you're not going to worry about modeling the threads. All you're going to do is worry about modeling the pipe. So for this one, I'm going to do a create new document and call this guided practice 3. So I don't really have a model for this as much as just trying to go through and show you a little bit with the sweep command. So the sweep command, if you remember, just like from Inventor, it's actually an advanced modeling feature that requires two kind of sketch planes. So in this case, I can kind of help set you up for the pipe itself. I'm going to first make sure my workspace units are going to be in millimeters because that's what that pipe is in. I'm going to click sketch and I'm going to choose to get this to come out right. I'm going to choose the front work plane. Moving to the front, like I said, I can go ahead and I can turn off these work planes. Sometimes I think they're just a little bit too cumbersome to mess with. I'm going to do a center point circle, and for this one, so the inside of the pipe is 80, and then for the outside it is 100. So this is the same pipe that you're going to model for number 3. I'm kind of helping you set this up. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to escape the circle, and I'm going to right click and say confirm sketch 1 and put this into an isometric view. Now the thing is that in order to go through and create a sweep command, we're going to set a sketch. We need another sketch in here, and the sketch that we need needs to run in the same direction, so, or in the direction that we want the sweep to go in. So in this case, I'm going to choose the right work plane. Even though it's not visible, I can select it from the browser, and now I've got a sketch 2, and I'm going to click on the right side of the view cube. So what this is looking at is, if I rotate this around, this is actually looking at the side of the circles. This is the part that can be kind of confusing. So I'm going to go ahead and click the right there. I'm going to choose the line command from the origin. I'm going to draw that out. That line length is going to be 50. And then I'm going to change over into a 3-point arc from the end of that line. I'm going to draw, just kind of draw it, pointing it out a little bit. This is going to have a radius of 60. And the thing is that we're going to want to do is throw in a geometric constraint of tangency. So I'm going to click on the line, click on the arc itself to make it tangent. And the other thing is too, while I'm at it, is I want to go ahead and make sure, I'm going to do the horizontal constraint. I want the end point of this arc to be in the same position as the center point as well. So it's going to extend the arc up and then go ahead and bring that up like that. And then I'm going to take my line tool, click off the end of the arc. This is going to be another 50, and I'm going to hit enter. So I'm going to go ahead and escape the line, confirm sketch 2, and throw this into the isometric view. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose the sweep command. So sweep, I'm going to click on the area in between the two circles. So that way it highlights this. Sweep path, I need to select it in the dialog. Choose the line, choose the arc, and choose the next line. And now we'll go through and build the pipe that we'll have. Hit the green check mark, and that's all you have to do for model number 3. So this finishes out your assignment for advanced modeling skills, and we will see if you need help or anything like that. Just message me in Canvas. But other than that, so just make sure that this gets submitted by April 16th.